Hi everyone, I am Suhas Desai. Today's topic is DevOps and DevSecOps. What are the major differences? What are the tools which we can use for DevSecOps and typical approach to achieve DevSecOps model. When we are talking about DevOps, typically DevOps is meant for faster development, to collaborate more, to have continuous integrations, then perform automations during a development cycle. Focus is on software development, and typically it is combination of multiple technologies, use multiple frameworks, programming languages, and DevSecOps tools. Security comes at the end of development cycle, and post that security architect or security team does assessments, code review, and it goes for the deployment part. DevSecOps is meant to have secure and compliant code to integrate during development lifecycle itself. A major advantage of this is like using a lot of technologies to secure code, to secure entire environment, deploy these securely. End-to-end components like say applications, infrastructure, cloud, your APIs, your underlying source code, underlying infrastructure libraries, that should be secure. And security is at each layer. Uh, Principles remain same as DevOps, collaborations and faster development, but with security part. And when we are talking about DevSecOps, typically it goes in multiple methodologies and approaches, where it goes like the planning of the code. Typically it goes like what are the threat model, what are the threat attacks. So that is goes in the planning stage. Then code development. During code development, go for the manual assessment of code, then automated code scanning tools. Once that is done, it goes for the deployment. Once we do have deployment in test environment, it goes for the penetration testing of that particular application, underlying infrastructure. Once that is done, if there are any vulnerabilities that gets remediated, it will be deployed in UAT environment. Once we do that, all the policies and processes are applied for the deployment stage. Then it will go for the release cycles. Once we get this in release cycle, typically we need to integrate logging and monitoring systems. If there something goes wrong, then we should be able to audit those logs. And once this application goes in live environment, then we need to have 24 by 7 monitoring, typically to detect, prevent, and protect attacks. Vice versa, there are compliance requirements. Typically, it comes on continuous basis to secure this. There are a couple of tools typically people use during DevSecOps. Widely or popularly, couple of tools used on daily basis are GitLab, Jira, Jenkins, JUnit, Shape, Nexus, Maven, Fortify, Checkmarks, then Kubernetes, JFrog. So these are the couple of tools development team as well as security consulting team uses to secure your code. I hope this was helpful. I strongly encourage to apply DevSecOps technologies and techniques to secure your code. Thank you so much.